Well, mild temperatures remain in place. We tied the record yesterday. We're still at 58 at this hour and 50s for all locations. But I want to turn your attention to the west. And the reason I'm doing that is because that's what's moving our way. Here's where the warmer air has been in place, but just over the front, yeah, there's some cooler air with Fargo showing up for 31 degrees. That is where the cooler air is trying to catch up. Ahead of it, there is some rain. We're going to have to deal with that rain, and at some point, we will see some cooler air move our way. Lots of watches and warnings up. More interestingly, it's a wind advisory that's up for a good portion of Illinois back to Iowa and Missouri. That includes us. We have a wind advisory that will start at 11 a.m. and that will go through midnight tonight. Just means we're going to see some gusty winds. Winds will likely be maybe gusting into 40 to 45 miles per hour, especially later this evening. So here's satellite and radar tracker. More clouds than anything else, but a few showers are certainly possible today, even through midday, although I think the better chance is going to be later tonight. Another mild day, mid-60s, maybe even upper 60s by the afternoon. There's the front that's trying to roll through here sometime later tonight. That'll increase our winds, maybe 20 to 30 miles per hour sustained. They may be a little bit higher within that line. Temperatures will go from the 60s, and then once that passes through, we're likely going to drop into the 50s with still some scattered showers lingering into tomorrow morning. But we'll really be wrapping this system up sometime Thursday afternoon and evening as finally some north or northwest winds kick in, and that continues that downward slide. So our strongest winds are likely going to be later tonight before we definitely see some cooler air move in. Then the temperatures will steadily decline all the way through the weekend. So I hope you've had a chance to enjoy the 60s while you can, because we go back into the 50s with sunshine for Friday, 40s for the weekend, and even a little rain snow mix possible next Monday.